Hey fam, it's Miss D here to get you in step with an instructional video of your favorite line dance. So today we're going to do Cowgirl Trail Ride. It's a 4-wall dance and it's 4 counts of 8. Now this is a pretty up-tempo line dance, but I'm going to break it down, take it slow, so when you get it, then you can speed it up. All right? So I'm going to turn my back to you to make it easy to follow. This is my right and this is my left. Okay? First count of 8 are side steps to the right and to the left. All right? First we're to the right. Right, left, and then pick up left, right, left, right. Okay? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? First count of 8. Second count of 8 are swings with your hips. So we just went 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to pick up our right foot and place it in front of us and swing our hips up. So 1, 2, swing back, 3, 4, swing up, 5, 6, and back, 7, 8. Okay? So let's put those two counts together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Halfway there, just like that. All right? So now the third count of 8 are the kicks. Okay? So we just swayed, right? This is our last sway back, swinging our hips. And we're going to pick up our right foot. We're going to step it to the side. We're going to hold for 1 count. We're going to pick up that left foot, step it back, and then kick. And then we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Step our foot down, hold for a count, and back, then kick. Okay? So the count is 1, hold, 2, and 3, kick, 4, 5, hold, 6, and 7, kick, 8. Okay? So let's try that much. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, hold, and step, kick, step, hold, and step, kick. Okay? One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, hold, and step, kick, step, hold, and step, kick. Okay? Make sure you step behind. So let's put those 3 counts of 8 together. All right, starting from the top with the side steps. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. Now pick it up and sway and swing and sway and swing. Step, hold, and step, kick, step, hold, and step, kick. Okay? Those are the first 3 counts of 8. Now, the fourth count of 8 includes the 3/4 turn. All right, and so the way that we get there, we just kicked. We're going to step to the right with our right, tap with our left behind us. Then you're going to step to the left and tap with the right behind us. All right, and it's really quick. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? All right, so from here, this is where the 3/4 turn comes in. So again, our right side of our body, whichever way our right side is facing, that's where we're going to end up with our turn, okay? So since it's 3/4 turn, we got to go the long way around. And we got 4 counts to get there, okay? So we're going to pick up this right foot and we're going to step 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, we've made our 3/4 turn, okay? So let's start here from the kick. We just kicked. So we're going to step, tap, step to the left, tap, and get ready to turn 3/4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's put that together. The last count of 8 with the turn. Ready? We just kicked. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now let's put all 4 counts together and we'll do it really slow. Ready? All right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, hold 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is where the dance starts over again. Okay? So let's do it again, all 4 counts. We're going to speed it up just a little bit. All right, ready? And I'll start from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, hold 2 and 3, 4, 5, hold 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? We got it? All right, one more time, just a little faster. So you can see it from this angle. And then I think we'll be done. All right? 5, 6, 7, 8. Horses in the stable. I want you to ride, 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 ride. Horses in the stable. Trail ride. A cowgirl trail ride. Now, I know I can't sing, but just trying to give you a little flavor of how fast it is. So hopefully that was helpful. If it was, please like, share, make a comment. Let me know what you think. What do you like to see? And subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. You all enjoy your day. Have fun. Get out there on the dance floor. Put it all out there. You got nothing to lose. We're too old to care anyway. See y'all. Mwah!